The question is 18 divided by 3.
Multiply in the bracket 5 minus 2, bracket. So now, as usual, we'll solve the bracket first. So now, the solution.
18 divided by
3 multiplied by 5 minus 2.
5 minus 2 will be 3.
18 divided by 3 multiplied by, in brackets, 3. Let's solve further. 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, according to the order of operations, we give the first priority to division and the second priority to multiplication.
18 divided by 3 times 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now 6 times 3 equals 18. This is the right answer.